In this video, we'll show you how to change the blower motor on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the passenger door to give you easier access to the blower motor located under the glove box. Using a fork, remove the 3 rivets holding the carpet. Then place it gently so as not to pull on the cable. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab, using a flathead screwdriver and pulling on the connector. Remove the carpet under the glove box. Using a ratchet and a 5.5mm socket, unscrew the 4 screws holding the AC module. Then shift it. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Disconnect the blower motor electrical connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 3 screws holding the blower motor. Then remove the motor. You can order the blower motor assembly in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new blower motor assembly, then insert it into its slot. Screw the 3 holding screws back in. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the AC module back in place. And screw it back on. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the carpet back in place. Then put the 3 rivets back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.